Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. It is 4:33 and 17 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer, and MRI. So let's hop to it here. The breast MRI illuminates risk of second breast cancer. Date August 30th, 2022. Source: Radiological Society of North America. The breast tissue features apparent on MRI are linked with future second breast cancer risk in women with a personal history of breast cancer, according to a new study. And breast cancer is the most diagnosed cancer and the leading cause of cancer-related death in women worldwide. While advances in treatment and early detection mean that more women are surviving breast cancer, these women face an increased risk of second breast cancers. The breast cancer survivors with dense breast face an even greater risk of a second cancer. The breast cancer tissue is mostly fatty, with areas of fibrous connective tissue and glandular tissue, known collectively as fibroglandular tissue. Women with dense breast have a greater proportion of fibroglandular tissue and less fatty tissue, and this can obscure lesions on mammography and is an independent risk factor for breast cancer. And breast MRI has become the preferred method for imaging women with personal history of breast cancer. And previous studies have shown that breast MRI has a higher cancer detection rate than mammography. Researchers studied the link between second cancer risk and background parenchymal enhancement and surveillance breast MRI. Background parenchymal enhancement refers to the brightening or enhancement of background tissue on MRI after administration of a contrast agent. The degree of background parenchymal enhancement can vary between and within women. It is thought to be related to changes in blood supply and permeability of breast tissue, which is affected by hormonal status. The breast cancer treatment in the form of radiation therapy, chemotherapy, or endocrine therapy can also alter the background parenchymal enhancement in the treated breast. The background parenchymal enhancement, on contrast, enhanced breast MRI is a known risk factor for breast cancer. Of the 2,668 women in the study, 190 developed a second breast cancer at a median follow-up of 5.8 years. Mild, moderate, or marked background parenchymal enhancement as surveillance breast MRI was independently associated with an increased risk of future second breast cancer compared to minimal background parenchymal enhancement. The results suggest that background parenchymal enhancement and post-operative surveillance breast MRI may indicate the response to breast cancer treatment and may be a predictor of a modified risk of second breast cancer after treatment in women with a personal history of breast cancer. The study findings point to a role for background parenchymal enhancement measurements in refining screening pathways for women with prior breast cancer. For example, women with minimal background parenchymal enhancement and surveillance breast MRI may no longer need to undergo contrast-enhanced breast MRI every year if other risk factors are absent. Those other risk factors include younger age and diagnosis, the presence of genetic mutations linked to breast cancer, and hormone receptor expression in the initial breast cancer. Areas for future study include the link between background parenchymal enhancement, changes in screening, or preoperative breast MRI, and the post-operative surveillance breast MRI, and the development of second breast cancer. In the future, researchers expect that risk models will use mammography, ultrasound, and MRI together, and this approach will lead to more tailored surveillance strategies for women with a history of breast cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology and this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.